How's it going, guys? I am going to be cutting out some rust in this this video, and I'm going to be replacing it with some new sheet metal. I'm going to weld it in, because you can see this is not particularly what you want. I already took off the license plate, which goes right here, and this light, which I'm just going to let dangle because, you know, it's okay. If I accidentally cut it, I could just, you know, wire it back up. But let's get started. Alright guys, now I got my piece of steel here, and I'm just going to mark it. So it's right there, by right there. So we go all the way down to right there, then it comes over. Over right there, so okay, and then comes all the way down to here, and I'm actually going to bend it so right down to there. Alright, now guys, I'm going to bend this over. I'm not going to use the hammer just yet, but bend this over. Alright, now I'm going to mock this up, see if it actually fits. Alright, so what I have to do is I have to cut off right there, a little bit right there, and then a little right there. I'm actually just going to use the flap disc because it's just going to be a little bit easier. Alright, so I just finished out cutting. I also sanded it down a little, so I'm going to mock this up one more time, see if it's right, and if it is, then weld it in. Alright guys, so I just grinded off some of the paint right there, and now I'm going to patch in that panel. All right, so I got the first couple of tacks in right there. Let me tell you, if you're coming to watch me, this is not a how-to. I'm using flux core, and I have some gaps. So, you know, I'm not a professional bodywork guy. I'm just doing this for fun, and it's gonna be primarily probably Bondo again, but I'm just gonna try to fill up some of these gaps. Not hard, like just stitch welding. But so I just did some more welding a little bit. I told you I'm using flux core, which is not something you want to use, but I'm using it. So I'm gonna grind this off a little bit. You can see that there's a big patch right here. That's not really what you want, but you know, I'm just gonna end up body filling this anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna start grinding. Okay, so I just did some grinding right there. Yes, bam. Alright, so that's the first layer of body filler. I just did the Bondo glass. Looks pretty good. And I'm just gonna get a couple, once it dries, which I still gotta wait about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. And then I'm gonna sand it all down. And then I'm gonna put normal just body filler on it and fill that up so it's nice and smooth. There is a piece that goes over top of this, which you know, pretty much gonna fill it all up. So I'm not too worried about this spot, but you know, I would like it to be at least a little smooth. Alright guys, so I got a new toy. It is a power sander. So I'm gonna start sanding this down. Alright, so I got this sanded down. It's pretty smooth. There still is a high spot right there, but I can start sanding that down once I put in the next layer. So, alright, so I just put on another coat of Bondo. This is just the plain stuff. So just fill it up. I'm probably gonna have to do one more. I'm gonna sand it down after this, but looks pretty good. Alright, and I got the last coat on. I'm gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm just gonna sand it off. Well, not all of it, but sand it flat. And then I'm just gonna hit it with a coat of spray paint, and then it's done. Alright guys, so it is all painted up and done. I have already done this side, so you know, I even sanded this one down a little bit. That's why it has all these white streaks on it. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And with this done, next step is to paint the whole Jeep. It looks pretty good. Thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Comment what you want me to do on the Jeep. And thank you all for watching. Goodbye.